How to create a poll on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Now, if you want to create a poll, then make sure that you can only create a poll on a Facebook page or in a Facebook group. In today's video, I will show you guys how to make a poll on Facebook page. So tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the drop down you see there and then select your Facebook page. Now, once you have opened the Facebook page, tap on the What's on Your Mind option you see there and scroll through and you will see the option for poll. Tap on that and now go ahead and type in your question firstly and then go ahead and add in the option. That is, you can add as much option as you want. Once you are done adding the options, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for allow people to choose multiple options if you want people to choose multiple options. Now, tap on Done on top right of your screen and then tap on Next and finally tap on the Post option you see there, and with this, as you can see, the poll has been created and further posted. So this is how you can make a poll on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.